So, hello again, and welcome to the second in what I hope will be an ongoing series where I try to explain and answer some of the grammar questions that you send in. Today's question, I know in my first video I said that I've always wanted to avoid making those kind of very generic videos you get everywhere on the internet about the difference between the present perfect simple and the past simple. Having said all of that, it's obviously come back to bite me a little bit because today's question is also kind of about the present perfect simple and past simple. As usual, I'll read you the question and then I'll talk about it a little bit. Course books often talk about the present perfect simple and past simple as though they're completely different uses or they're used in completely different kinds of ways. But to me, it makes sense that both of them can be used in exactly the same sentences with the same verb, just with maybe slightly different contexts. For example, you might have this example. People in one room hear some noise coming from another room. A person peeks out of the room and says, "Oh, really sorry, it was just a vase breaking. I've dropped it. Everything's fine." Or one person says to another, "Yeah, sorry, I dropped the vase when I was talking to Andy on the phone." Do you think the examples are correct and that the use of the present perfect and past simple is correct? Now, I like talking about grammar when I have specific examples to work with. I think it makes it easier to think about and easier to understand than talking about general abstract rules. So let's begin with the first example where you hear a loud crashing noise from the other room. Someone pops their head round the door and says, "Oh, really sorry, that was a vase breaking. I've dropped it." I mean, to be honest, in this situation, it doesn't make any difference if you say I've dropped it or I dropped it. And actually, when you think about the way it would sound when someone's speaking, because this is very much spoken language here, you almost wouldn't hear the have. Okay? I mean, just listen to the way I say these things quickly. "Yeah, sorry, I've dropped it. Yeah, sorry, I dropped it." I mean, there's a tiny kind of v in the first one that tells you it's the present perfect. Yeah? I honestly don't think it makes any difference. I can see why you might go for "I've dropped it" because you're connecting it, an event in the recent past to the present result, which is the conversation we're now having. Or you're just saying "I dropped it in the past" and that was the noise that you heard. Both totally okay and totally intelligible in that context. In the second one, "Yeah, sorry, I dropped the vase when I was talking to Andy on the phone." I think here you'd basically definitely use the past simple. I dropped it, because you're specifying the particular time when you used it, when it happened in the past. Yeah, you dropped it in the finished past when you were talking to Andy on the phone in the finished past. Yeah. In terms of when you'd almost certainly only use the present perfect, with "you've dropped it" or "I've dropped it," I can't think of many contexts where you would have to have the present perfect simple over the past simple. Yeah. I mean, maybe if you're playing with kids or something and you pass them a cup of milk or a cup of orange juice and they drop it, you might say, "Oh, you've dropped it. Okay, let's clean up the mess, shall we?" Yeah. But again, if you say, "Oh, you dropped it," same difference in this context. I really don't think it makes any difference. Okay, I hope that helps, and please do get in touch or leave comments below if you have any similar grammar questions you'd like answered, anything else you'd like to know about the present perfect simple or past simple, or just any other grammar questions which are bugging you.